Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. Work hard in silence. Let your success be the noise. Work hard now so that you can shine later. There are 8 thinking maps. Number 1, circle map. Number 2, tree map. Number 3, bubble map. Number 4, double bubble map. Number 5, flow map. Number 6, multi-flow map. Number 7, brace map. Number 8, bridge map. You can use these maps to present your paper, to give the presentations in your paper and tests. Okay, let's see them in detail. Circle map. We can use circle map for defining in context. Main topic will be in the circle, and then concepts you know about the topic, and then boundaries to the brainstorming process. Circle map. Thinking process. Defining a context. Key question: how are you defining the thing or idea? Key words and phrases: list, define, tell everything you know, brainstorm, identify, relate, prior knowledge, describe, explore the meaning. Design. The topic is in the middle. Smaller circle. Everything you know about the topic is in the larger circle. A box that may be included around the entire map is a frame of reference, and that is used to answer the question, how did I learn this? The frame of reference can be used around any of the maps. Common uses. Brainstorm for writing, used as a starting point during the pre-writing stage, defining words, identifying audience and author's point of view. Writing mode, point of view essay. Circle map frame of reference. Green, bottom right. How do you know this definition? Where are you getting your information? What sources did you reference to gather your information? Blue, top right. Is there a specific point of view that is influencing your definition or ideas? What in your background experiences is influencing your ideas? Red, top left. Why is this information important? What have you learned from this defining or brainstorming process? The circle map. Look at another example of the circle map. Food. Defining in context. Food can be healthy or unhealthy. Our choices are influenced by our culture and experiences. Delicious. Food is classified into groups for nutritional purposes. Food is essential for survival. So we can just do presentation in paper in this way. Look at another circle map and another example of circle map. One more example, another example. Okay. Guided practice circle map. What do you know about Puritans? What do you know about 5-paragraph essays? What do you know about yourself? What do you know about post-secondary education? Create your own words. Keywords will be context, list, define, tell everything you know, brainstorm, identify, relate prior knowledge, explore the meaning, associate, generate. Let's see bubble map. Bubble map for describing using adjective. Main concept. Adjective 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in different circles. Reading skills for vocabulary growth, identifying characteristics and attributes. Bubble map, another example. Thinking process will be describing qualities, characterization. Key question: how are you describing this thing? What adjectives best describe it? Keywords and phrases. Describe, use vivid language, describe feelings, observe using the 5 senses. Design, common uses and writing mode. Okay, the bubble map. Describing oranges. Round, they are juicy, orange, naturally sweet, messy and nutritious. Okay, how can you describe snow through bubble map? Snow is chilly, good, great, cop, soft, silly, cool, cold, pretty, super, nice, great, terrific, thick, white. Another example, a picture is given and the quality of a person in bubble map. Another examples, look at the another example, science, bubble map of science. Okay, let's see double bubble map example. It is used for comparing and contrasting. Look at this, concept 1, concept 2, compare and compare and compare, and concept 1, contrast, contrast, contrast in yellow, in blue and red, and in purple we have comparison of concept 1 and concept 2. In this way you can present your test. It will look good. Double bubble, thinking process, comparing and contrasting. What are the similar and different qualities of these things? Compare, contrast, discuss similarities and differences, prioritize essential characteristics, distinguish between or differentiate. There should be a design. In the center circle are the words for the two things being compared and contrasted. In the middle bubbles, use terms to show similarities. In the outside bubbles, describe the differences. If there are too many similarities or differences, students should prioritize and keep only the most important things. A tool for comparing and contrasting two things, a comparison essay. Okay. Another example of the double bubble map, apples and oranges. Okay, apples can eat the peeling, can come in many colors. Apples are fruit and oranges also fruit. Apples are nutritious and oranges are also nutritious. Oranges are always orange. Similarities were fruit and nutritious, and difference are here are always orange, and peeling is used as spice. Okay, another example, you can see flag of United States versus flag of Mexico, and similarities are given in red and differences are given in green and blue. Difference between the butterflies, and another example are given. Double bubble map. Let's see tree map. Tree map is used for classifying and grouping post-secondary schools in the United States, 4-year colleges and universities, 2-year schools, military training. So look at the way how tree map is being made. Okay, brace map for analyzing objects and parts. Okay, essay, we can just write essay in this way: introduction, conclusion, 3 body paragraphs, and then hook is given, thesis statement, topic, sentence, major details, minor details, reading skills, special descriptions, adapted from thinking maps, tools. Okay, we can use colors also, green, blue and red. Flow map for sequencing and ordering. So we can use these types of rectangles, step 1, step 2, step 3, and then step 1 AB and 2AB and 3AB. This is for description of order. Okay, let's see multi-flow map for cause and effect. For example, problem and situation, cause 1 and cause 2 in this way, and effect 1 and effect 2 in this way, right? And now we will see bridge map for seeing analogies. Relating factor is the villain. Jafar in Aladdin as Scar in The Lion King. You can know about analogies by watching my video. It is given in a video. It is also a comparison of two different things. You can see it in detail in my video. Okay, see you next time.